Police here in Massachusetts use usually two types of breath tests. There is the portable breath test that's used at the time of the traffic stop. And then there is a more accurate breath test that is done at the police station after arrest. So the typical traffic stop that leads to an OUI arrest goes in the following order. The officer observes some sort of traffic violation. He stops the driver. The officer notices the indicia of intoxication. So this is always glassy, bloodshot eyes, slurred speech, and the odor of alcohol. The officer will often ask the person, "Have you been drinking?" Sometimes the driver says no, or sometimes they'll try to minimize the amount. They'll say, "I've had a drink or two." The officer will ask the person to perform a field sobriety test. And often after, or sometimes during the test, the officer will produce what's called a portable breath test. It's a little handheld breath test. And he'll ask the driver to blow into the breath test. When this is all done, the field sobriety test and the questioning and the observation and the portable breath test, if the officer concludes that the person's impaired, then the person will be arrested. He'll be brought to the police station. He'll be read a number of rights. And then at this time, the person will be told that they need to take another breath test. And if they refuse that breath test at the police station, they will lose their license for a minimum of 180 days. Now there's a big difference between the portable breath test used at the roadside stop and the breath test used at the police station. Typically, the portable breath test cannot be used to show your blood alcohol level at trial. All right, so the officer can't bring in the test to show that you were impaired, the portable test. The police station breath test device can be used against you because it's considered more accurate than the portable test. So it's very important to keep that in mind. And if you have a situation where you've taken the portable breath test and it has a high reading or a reading that would show impairment, but you have refused the breath test at the police station, you should file a motion prior to trial suppressing any sort of statement referring to the portable breath test. It should not come into evidence in any way, shape, or form. So I've written a blog post on this, and I will put it in the description below.